I'm Chris Fox, and this is Making Chips. So I'm at Okuma to visit their Thinc Design Group Center, which is focused on, well, what I want to talk about. It's automation. And that's kind of a different element, right? Automation, most of the time people think of robots, right? Which is important. That's a key part of automation. Having a robot tend a machine helps you automate and move faster, but automation is more about understanding your machines and what they're doing and how they're doing it, where they're doing it, and where they're headed with it. And that's really something that we're seeing a lot of while we're here. We're seeing machines that are automating themselves, machines that understand where they're at and can tell you where they are in the operation process, the challenges that they may have coming up, the maintenance that they need, kind of like an employee, but in a very unique way. This is the key part of automation in making your shop more efficient.
Our factory monitor software, we call it the Connect plan. This gives you the ability to connect all of the equipment on your shop floor. All your Okumas, all your Thinc controls, or other builders' equipment can connect to this software. So it's not just Okuma, right? Whatever you've got. So right off the bat, you get a quick view of your shop floor, green, yellow, red. What's running, what's not, and then we're able to drill down and see why it's not running. Another important feature of this software and the difference that you're gonna see with this stuff, see this red oil can guy? That's telling me that I've got a PM, a maintenance item that's past due on that machine, right? So that's great. That's telling me I need to perform some action on that one. This yellow one over here, there's your predictive part of this, because that's telling me probably sometime next week I have an item coming due. I might want to get my guys on it now before it turns red.
So at the end of the day, all this automation is really about making more chips, because if you're not making chips, you're not making money.